Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before proceeding to our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
Dogecoin has been all the rage since its commencement. The one inquiry that has crossed all personalities is, will Doge reach $1? Or on the other hand, how high will Dogecoin go? With the unpredictability and vacillations in the crypto market, there are chances that Doge will come to the most anticipated $1 mark. Want to know how high the Doge token can arrive at this long period? Dogecoin Value Expectation 2024. As per our Dogecoin Forecast 2024, the image coin might have least and greatest costs of around $85 and $26 individually. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2025. When it is 2025, our Dogecoin figure recommends that the coin could have arrived at a greatest worth of $0.39 with a base cost of $25. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2030. According to our Doge cost forecast, it is normal that the image token might exchange at a most extreme cost of $0.82 with a base cost of $0.57 in 2030. History of Dogecoin, which isolates the Dogecoin establishment from most other altcoins in the cryptographic money market, is expansion as opposed to deflationary digital currency. Bitcoin and numerous other digital forms of money are formed to such an extent that they have a hard inventory cap of monetary standards. Dogecoin is a decentralized and totally secure organization. It is intended to be a well-disposed, more congenial type of digital currency that could arrive at clients put off by the cool intricacy of Bitcoin. Indeed, even its name is taken from a famous web image. Dogecoin's cost has colossal potential. With a sort of notoriety rising, Dogecoin's presence is immense contrasted with different contenders. Utilizing Dogecoin needs no exceptional preparation. Cordial to utilize, it carries genuine worth to its clients. Stowing your Dogecoin is currently simple. In this way, use of Dogecoin implies power in the possession of the client. The standard of any driving coin is the ubiquity and fan wave that twirls around it. Similar holds at the cost of Doge, as the reception rate for Dogecoin is very high. This advanced money's dynamic and steadfast worth wins around an atmosphere of the whole Dogecoin people group that places their confidence in it. The Doge wallet is a carefully facilitated capacity that will provide your resources with the most elevated level of safety that anyone could hope to find. The clients who own Dogecoin in their wallet can involve it for Dogecoin loaning. They need to give subtleties, wallet address, and open a record there. In spite of the historical backdrop of tempests and tornadoes in the cryptographic money world, there is a fair future. In any case, nothing can be sure in the cryptographic money space, and that is the point at which our digital currency cost estimate comes into the image. Dogecoin's complete market cap is exchanging around $11,618,492,175 and is presently the 9th greatest advanced money on the planet. At present, the cost of Dogecoin is around $0.09293, with an exchanging volume of $606.56 M. The ongoing stockpile is at 142 of 4B Doge, while the complete circling supply is 142 of 4B. The general digital money market capitalization has denoted a huge change this year, including the Dogecoin market cap. After the Doge's cost arrived at its ATH in May 2021, it denoted a monstrous fall over the long haul. Be that as it may, the ongoing Dogecoin cost developments have denoted a fair recuperation. The Doge's cost destitute the prompt opposition with next to no obstacles. It attempted to outperform the significant obstruction of $0.99 and surprisingly succeeded. Afterward, because of some benefit booking exercises, the cost of Doge began to exchange beneath the obstruction. Specialized pointers propose that the image coin needs some more purchaser backing to support the positive excursion. Everything started when Elon Musk fixed a $44 billion arrangement to assume control over Twitter. When this news was out, the cost of Dogecoin flooded nearly by 100%. It is on the grounds that Elon Musk has consistently upheld Dogecoin cryptographic money and considered it a group's coin on numerous events. Elon Musk's ceaseless help of tolerating Dogecoin as an installment for products and institutional reception has been valuable to the coin. In light of our ongoing cost activity and verifiable information, Dogecoin could be one of a handful of the digital forms of money equipped for being utilized as a useful cash as opposed to just as a speculative resource. As indicated by the Dogecoin value forecasts of the wallet financial backer, Dogecoin Doge may not be a productive venture, and they anticipate that the cost of Dogecoin should be around $0.318 by long-term end. Conversely, the cost examination and Dogecoin value forecast of computerized coin cost recommend that the coin will go up to $20 in 2024. Taking a gander at the ongoing buyer market of Dogecoin, the resource might contact another unequaled high in the forthcoming years. Indeed, even specialists of Changelly likewise anticipate that the exchanging cost of Dogecoin Doge will reach $0.47 by 2030. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2024. According to the Doge Value Expectation and Specialized Examination, the typical cost may be $22 in 2024. Simultaneously, Dogecoin's cost might arrive at a greatest cost of $28 and a base cost of $85. Doge Forecast 2025. According to our Dogecoin cost expectation for 2025, the coin could have a most extreme and least market cost of around $1.39 and $25. In examination, the typical cost may be around $32 toward the finish of 2025. Doge Value Expectation 2026. As per the Dogecoin cost gauge, it might hit a greatest cost of $45 and a base exchanging cost of around $30 for the year 2026. Simultaneously, the typical exchanging worth might be around $38. A monstrous meeting is normal in Dogecoin's cost over time. Doge Forecast 2027. As indicated by our Dogecoin cost examination, it is normal that Dogecoin be valued at $51, which likewise is the greatest worth, while the base incentive for a similar period might be around $35. Going against the norm, the typical cost of Dogecoin perhaps $43. Dogecoin Figure 2028. Indeed, even in the exceptionally unstable crypto space, an image coin like Dogecoin might keep on demonstrating its worth even in the bear market. According to the Dogecoin Doge cost expectations, the coin could arrive at the greatest worth of $57, with a base cost of $40. Simultaneously, the typical cost can be $0.49. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2029. Our Doge value history and expectations uncover that the Dogecoin cost will exchange between $47 to $63, where the previous is the most reduced conceivable cost, while the last option is the most elevated conceivable cost for 2029. While the typical cost for the year perhaps $55. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2030. In light of our Dogecoin Doge Cost Forecast 2030, we anticipate that the token should arrive at the most extreme and least costs of $82 and $57. The typical cost might be around $69, with a fair rate change for the year 2030. The market cap might have risen altogether toward the finish of 2030. My expectation is that Dogecoin will ultimately become coordinated with Twitter soon here and there. This will naturally acquaint north of 200 million clients with Doge, giving them motivation to involve it and increasing the value of the digital currency in general. It can't be overlooked the way that Dogecoin offers the upside of being a proper inflationary cash, which makes it inseparable from certifiable government-issued money. This remarkable trademark permits Dogecoin clients not to store substantial resources and bank on greater liquidity, since they effectively exchange and utilize their monetary standards. With huge load of cash driving the crypto world wave and improvements, Dogecoin's future might see an extensive flood in its ongoing worth. Dogecoin costs are supposed to hit new highs later on. In any case,